Outside, Laura. I love it.
I know, it's great.
I can't wait to get out there.
Do you have some big plans here this evening? 5 o'clock sunset for you.
Oh, I've been waiting for this for months, Laura.
This is the day. You've made it.
You've made me very happy.
Good,
I'm just going to stay up and just wait for it.
Exactly. I figured so. I hope so, at least. Yes, days are getting longer, and we've got some sunshine. It's a beautiful morning out there, and it is another windy one, too. We do have temps that are above the norm, going into the 40s, possibly close to 50 here this afternoon. Thursday, too, going to be another warm one, but we're watching our next weather maker that'll pull in some rain. This looks like it's mostly going to be rain from that Thursday night to Friday time period, but there may be some snow in the mix. Weekend weather, we turn colder to start, but finish out strong with milder temperatures on the back half. Whole lot of wind today. Wind advisory going into effect for a short period today, 2 p.m. till about 6 o'clock. Gusts 45, potentially upwards of 55 miles per hour. Notice it's only a small area here that we're talking about, the northern parts of Chicago up toward the Illinois-Wisconsin state line. That's likely where we'll see some of those higher wind gusts building today, but I do think that everyone gets in a fair share of some high winds through the afternoon and even into the evening hours. Winds die down briefly, pick up again heading into tomorrow. Sunny skies going up into the middle upper 40s for highs, windy conditions, and staying above freezing through this evening, even into tomorrow morning. I do think maybe off toward the northwest suburbs, likely getting closer to freezing, but elsewhere mostly holding in the mid-30s for the start of the day tomorrow. So we do have highs in the 40s for today. Tomorrow, Thursday, 50 degrees as those showers start to develop in the late day. So I do think at least we'll have most of the day on the day of Thursday, dry showers developing through the overnight hours. But here's a better look at how this will all evolve through the day. Thursday night into Friday morning, scattered showers, better chance for rain developing through the morning. Midday hours is likely where we'll start to see a little bit of that snow mix before everything clears out. 7-day forecast after a high of 50 going down to 39 on Friday. Temps cool through Saturday. Groundhog Day, dry skies and a high of 45, which is about 15 degrees above the norm.